follower. You don't even have your own mind to think. You sit up underneath people who talk about each other like dogs, and then you choose to come over here and talk to me. You are weird, so I decided to say so. And you're ugly, bitch, and I decided to say so. You uneducated reptile. Looking like fucking Gru. Bitch, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. It's 12:33 for me. I don't know what time it is for you, but you bored at work. Well, then maybe you need another job because evidently the one you got is not paying you enough. Bitch, you don't have any looks or education. When I talk to you guys about looks or education, none of you guys have that. None of you have accolades. Show me one accolade that you have. None. I can't pronounce words right. And bitch, you need a fucking hearing aid. If I can't pronounce the words right, you need a hearing aid. Because evidently it's not enough in your life going on. So this is what you do when you're bored. You come on Big O and you decide, let me go over here and talk to this lady because I'm in love with her so much. And I want to tell her what I think about her like she's going to give a fuck. Don't nobody give a fuck what you talking about. You work in a place where, baby, I'm retired. I don't have to work anymore. Do you understand me? Them days is long gone. I could sit on my ass all day and not do a fuck thing and still get paid. Them days are long gone. That's why I got time to be on Big O and fuck with dumb bitches like you. Been there, done that. You need to get to where I'm at instead of worried about what I'm doing. I like responding to weirdos. I like to make sure you comprehend at some point in time how ignorant and dumb you sound coming to somebody else's life. But of course, I know your dumb remedial ass will never understand that or get it, will you? Another uneducated, disappointment black woman in the system. That's a damn shame. Another disappointment. Another fucking disappointment. I'm talking about I'm at work. Bitch, you not at work. You sitting at home on motherfucking welfare. Don't try to fool us about what you're doing. We know what you're really doing. Collecting my tax dollars that I done paid out on your fucking ass. Lazy ass. Lazy ass. Anytime you're bored, you're definitely lazy because there's always something you could be doing to improve yourself. Shit, read a self-help book. I'm sure there's plenty of those for you to read. And Immortal Morals, I would give a fuck less about that ugly bitch. I don't even know why you brought her name up. Don't nobody give a fuck about her own YouTube channel. Don't give a fuck about her. Her low fucking view.
I'm your birth bitch, and
I tell you the truth. I'm never amazed at how dummies can get dumber. You big old dummy. Isn't that what Fred Sanford used to say? You big old dummy. I see the rats are still rolling around looking for chicken. For her to pump herself up to think that anybody gives a fuck about how she thinks or what she thinks about anything amazes me. Somebody done pumped up her head, baby. Don't nobody give a fuck about you or what you think. That's why you over here. You want somebody to give a fuck about you.